With the help of information technology and artificial intelligence, Meghalaya government has started mapping of every patient in the state. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that this has started as a pilot project in Ribhoi district, where the health department has started maintaining the records of every patient so that the doctors have accessibility to it with the click of a button. No matter which hospital you go to, centralized information will allow the health official to get the medical history of the patient immediately. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma was addressing the gathering after the inauguration of the Northeast TB Free Summit at Courtyard Marriott in the presence of Minister Health, Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo and Dr. Roderico H. Ofrin, WHO representative of WHO India.
The position of being the foremost.
We've started a program in Meghalaya where we've taken up Ribhoi district, where our representatives have gone and visited. We've started now mapping every patient, and we started maintaining the records of the patients so that the doctors have accessibility to it with a click of a button. And no matter which hospital you go to, the centralized information will allow the health official to be able to get the history of the patient immediately.